Hello and welcome to the shop. I wanted to give you guys a quick announcement about a meetup that I'm going to be participating in. Mike Fulton, Guy Dunlap, Cory, Irwin, and myself are going to be hosting a meetup in Indianapolis on February 3rd after the woodworking show. Now the woodworking show is going to be the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th at the Indianapolis Champions Pavilion at the Indianapolis State Fairgrounds, and we are going to meet afterwards at the Free Spirit Sports Bar. Now I'll put information about the woodworking show, the sports bar, the meetup. I'll have links to the other guys' channels in the comments below. But we're going to meet right after the show on Saturday. It'll be about 7 o'clock. Mike Fulton has a Facebook page, and I'm going to put a link to that. If you're going to go to the show, I'd love for you to go over to the Facebook page and let Mike know that there's a, going, maybe one of those type of things. I want you to let Mike know you're going, because the bar has asked us to give them an idea of how many people will be attending so that they can properly staff up, to be able to show us a really nice time. So I'm super excited about this. I'll be at the show all day on Saturday. I'll have stickers with me, and I'll be looking forward to meeting as many of you as I can, and just basically taking time to talk and visit, and it's just going to be a great time, and the meetup afterwards is always fun. So I hope you guys can make it. If you can, let me know. Shoot me a comment below. Let me know you're coming, but also please remember, jump over to Mike's Facebook page that he set up for this meetup and let him know so that we can make sure that the bar that's going to take care of us, we kind of take care of them. I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me. I want you to know that you are always welcome in my shop. Come on out and see me at the meetup. Have a great evening, everybody.